Elevate and innovate with Angie.
Welcome to Unlock Your Potential, where we empower entrepreneurs and professionals to thrive. Hi, I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for Radical Success. Today, we'll discuss how creating supporting habits can be your roadmap to achieving radical success. So stay tuned for some hopefully valuable insights, and remember to subscribe and leave a like so more people can find our videos. You've heard the saying, you are what you repeatedly do. Excellence isn't just an act, it's a habit. Think of habits as the silent architects of our future. They're either building staircases to success or creating stumbling blocks in our way. The question is, are our habits pushing us forward or holding us back? At RAD Strategic Partners, we believe that proactive habit forming is the cornerstone of success. Habits form whether we like it or not, but the power lies in choosing which habits to cultivate. So let's evaluate our habits together and start by asking ourselves 4 key questions. What should I do less of? What needs to stop? What should I do more of? And what's missing from my routine? These questions are more than just a checklist. They're actually your compass to effective habit formation. By answering honestly, you pave the way to success. And remember, habits aren't just about big gestures. It's the small, consistent actions that truly count. But it's not just about doing more. It's about doing what matters. Beware of the habitual time wasters, those sneaky habits that nibble away at our productivity. Continuous email checking, doom scrolling, or binge watching the latest series might feel like breaks, but really they add nothing to our bottom line. So, how do we replace these low-value activities with something meaningful? One of my favorite approaches is the 30-day challenge. Whether it's hitting the gym, expanding our knowledge base, or meditating daily, committing to a new habit for 30 days is a powerful way to make it stick. Think of it as upgrading our personal operating system for success. Charles Duhigg, one of my favorite authors, in his book, The Power of Habit, talks about the cue, response, reward system that drives our behavior. By replacing unconscious reactions with intentional actions, we can align our habits with goals. It's like choosing premium grade fuel for our success tank. So, what habit will you commit to for the next 30 days? Whether it's reading a business book daily, networking consistently, or monitoring your finances weekly, the choice is yours. So remember, your habits are the architects of your future success. Let's take action together. Visit our website at radstrategic.com for more tips and resources, and join us here each week for more tips on achieving your radical success. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for Radical Success.